Hi guys! Nagkita kami dito ng isang vlogger na taga Jensan.
Yung minor isa lang. Pero isa. Si ma'am. Business class kayo ma'am.
Ay, hindi. Priority lang yun sila.
Doon lang pala pila sa kabila ma'am.
I think walang pila basta may baby kasama, sir.
Business class kayo.
Gani, pero I think may priority line talaga.
Sa amin yung nagkaya sa mga doon na yung may bata. Tapos sa amin yung
Ay, andito. Ito pala si Kai.
Yes, po.
Ano ba yung ano?
Hi, thank you. Once again, flying hello and going back to Thailand. Daniel, show the documents that I told you about.
Busy siya.
Yes.
Ay, laki pala ni Kai.
Princess Liga.
Ito, Princess Siga pala. This is Princess Siga. Kuya Kyle. Lager dito si Kuya Kyle. Si Highland, si Kuya Kyle.
Mask will drop from above you. Remove your face covering, immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth, pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before
Kikulago.